Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. Today we're going to go over some Martin truck bodies, Gooseneck Service Bodies, just kind of show you the difference in all these. They all have different options to them. We have one here that's going to fit every truck right now on the market. So this one here is our 84 CA, we call it, 134-inch Gooseneck Service Body. The options on this one is all smooth aluminum. So all the tops are going to be smooth. The tailgate's smooth, the bumper's smooth. One awesome thing about upgrading to the smooth aluminum is you go from 1/8-inch aluminum, like top plate here, to 3/16. A lot of guys like that, more durable, just a lot better way to go. On all Martins, they have a one-hand tailgate release. You're walking up and you got your hands full, one hand does it. Other cool thing, look at these bumpers. They got good grip to them. Step right up inside the bed there. 4 D-rings, that is standard with all the Martin truck bodies, gooseneck bodies. 4 D-rings in there. Now if we get a fuel tank in there, we'll move the first 2 back. That way your fuel tank will be in the front there and you can still access your front tie downs. Fuel spot. Everybody always asks, where's the fuel spot for the Martin truck bodies, gooseneck bodies? Right here. They hide them in an awesome spot. So this one here is set up standard for one fuel spot. If you got dual tanks or DEF, we'll pull this out right here, put another one in, you're good to go. Next thing, on the 134-inch bodies, we have 2 cabinets up front. Both of them come standard with adjustable shelving in there with the dividers. Now we can also add in, Martin makes a really nice tool drawer and also C-Tech drawers. We're a C-Tech drawer dealer. We put a lot of C-Tech drawers in. Here's another view of the front compartment. Now another thing you can always get on these ones too is this front compartment. You can get barn doors, so they one huge compartment. That's a pretty cool thing. A lot of guys like that, and you can put a big drawer in there, whatever you want to do. Stepping up here to the headache rack, LED lights, Optronics, lifetime warranty. This one here, this is just our standard headache rack, nothing special to it. Just the pipe louvers in there, makes it look really sweet on a truck. Let's walk over here. This is the 134-inch body for the cab and chassis trucks. This one here is the 110 body for a cab and chassis truck, 60-inch cab axle. This one here, we just got in. Take a look at this. This is a black powder coated body. These are pretty nice. This is a good option for an inexpensive, easy way to maintain your bed. If you're not wanting to polish your bed and you want it to look good all the time, this is a good option here, the powder coat. We can do the powder coat in white or black. Then we can also paint match your truck. So this one here, one body or one box in front of the wheels, wheel well. Another cool thing about the Martins is right here. See this wheel well? A lot of bodies, they weld that on there. You blow a tire, then you have to cut and fab and yeah, it's no good. This one here just unbolts. You take it off there, you blow a tire, we can send you a new one. That's what makes it really easy about painting these, powder coating them. We just pull off all the panels here, send them off, get them painted, powder coated, whatever color you need. This one here, this is a standard body, has the diamond plate top. This one is 1/8 inch. Remember the other one with the smooth is 3/16. This is 1/8 inch here. This is the chassis model, so the fuel spot's going to be right here. Same thing with the other one. We can always switch it out right here for another dual to put your DEF or your other fuel tank. Same thing on this one. One hand puts your tailgate down. Makes it really nice. When you go with the diamond plate tops, you also get a diamond plate bumper. Let's walk over here and we'll take a look at, so we have our 134, our 110. This one here is our 100. 98 by 100. This is going to fit your pickup deletes pretty much any year from, you know, 99 to current. One cool thing about this is this fits 2 different cab to axle measurements, because the way this panel flips. You're putting it on a newer Dodge or Ford, you leave it how it is right here with a wider spot. You're putting it on a Chevy, unbolt this, put it on the other side, and it puts your shorter, puts your cab to axle up further. This has a option that we do on a lot of our bodies that we order, and that is the M5 marker light package here. It just makes a body look really good going down the road at night. A lot of them. It's an inexpensive way to really put a good frill on there and just get a lot of people looking at it. Same thing with this one. 2 shelves. Here, the fuel's going to be up here for your fuel and DEF. Now, if you just have fuel here, we'll switch this plate out for just only a fuel. Under here, your back box gets a little bit smaller, but the awesome thing here is this back box goes all the way into this back corner. So you can get, we've had customers put hose reels in there, air hose reels, fuel hose reels, all different kinds of things. A lot of guys like to make that their grease compartment, oil compartment. Okay. So this would be our dual wheel pickup delete model here. Next over here, we have, this is our single wheel pickup delete. This would be our 84 by 100. Single wheel trucks. You still have a lot of room. Look at all that room in there. Another cool thing is Martin's, they step the boxes in when you go above the frame. So yeah, that just gives you, I mean, you get a lot of room right there. Same here. Boxes over top the wheel well. Put shovels in there. All kinds of different things. Lastly, we have down here the little brother. This one here is for our short bed pickup deletes, single wheels. If you have a short bed truck and want to make use out of it, this is the bed right here. Doesn't look like a lot of room, but guys, you can put a lot of tools in this. Adjustable shelves. Another thing, you can always add on more shelves as well. They all come standard with 2 shelves in the front, and then you can add more. We can also put a tool drawer slide out into here. So that's really cool too. Like I said, all of these come standard. Got your fuel filler here, and then your 4 D-rings in all of them. If you have any more questions, guys, don't hesitate to give us a call. Call, stop in. We ship nationwide. I mean, every week we have beds going out all over the country. Don't hesitate to give us a call, no matter where you're at. We can help you out. We always have a bunch of beds in stock, and yeah, give us a call, 330-933-7526.